welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have like a really exciting video today. Sorry, I was just running into the room. So today we're gonna be doing a little unboxing video. I got 2 Drunk Elephant products and I'm really excited. So we're gonna unbox them. We're gonna use them on my hand because I don't want to use it on my face already. Because I literally just did my morning skincare, even though I'm posting this at 3 o'clock. So let's get started. So we're gonna open the Oblus Rosy Drops. It's a really cute container. They package it well. Hold on. Oh, ow! Just cracked my. Never opened. Oh! Okay, so it came with this little package. Alright. So they sent me this note, and it says, "For as long as I can remember, my mom would dot her cheeks with liquid blush. It was practically just straight red dye. Maybe not the best thing for her skin. I wanted to make something healthy for my mom. I also wanted to create concentrated rosy drops that could be added to any of our serums or moisturizers and would give the skin a universally flattering flush. So here's my favorite hack. Mix a drop or 2 of Oblus with deep bronzy drops." So deep bronzy drops are those gold ones. If you haven't seen them, they're really popular right now. For a warm, summery, beachy glow that looks great on absolutely everyone. Oblus means blush, and the O stands for it's not what you're thinking. Omegas. So it's really cute, and it says XO. I don't know the name. I'm sorry if I don't know the name, but it's cute. I'm gonna keep this in my bedroom. So here's the container. That's so cool. Okay, it came with a Lala Retro ripped cream, the baggage. I always wanted one of these moisturizers, so I'm glad it came with that. I didn't know it would come with that. So we got this Lala Retro whipped cream. This is really popular. And we got the Rosy Drops. Okay, so the containering is really pretty. Of course, it has, package on it, which I don't know how to get off. I think you're supposed, okay. Shake before use. By the way, this is the containering it came in, which is really cute. Just gonna use a dot of that. Okay, that's what it looks like. Don't mind the rash right there. It's part of my skin concern. Ooh, okay, I see. Look. That is a shimmery look and smooth. God. Okay, I give this a 10 out of 10. So good. And then I got this. I did not know it would come with this, but by the way, this is the containering that it came in. Next thing, which is the last thing because I don't have a big budget, I got this from all of this stuff I got from gift cards from Ulta. So, yeah. Don't sue me, Ulta, please. Sponsored Ulta, please. Ulta, please sponsor me. I'm not a big YouTuber, but so this is the Daydream kit. It comes with the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. That's a tongue twister. Say that 5 times. C Firma Liquid Serum Base. And then the C Firma Fresh Day Serum. So it's like a rubber, which is like really cool. I don't know how I'm gonna open. Is it taped? They definitely containered it well. I can't open this. Hold on. Y'all, this is so hard to open. Jeez. Oh. Jeez, I hope I don't break it. Okay, RIP the containering. Jeez. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Sorry, there's like tape all over me. Jeez. Okay. So this is the glowing skin of your dreams. I love this. Okay. Let's take a look. First, we got the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Okay. Oh, it came out. Okay, that's what it looks like. Let's rub it in. Okay, glowy though. Oh my god. So the thing I don't really like about this, it's kind of oily. Feels kind of oily on my hand, but it's definitely shiny. And it's a very good, like, dewy look. You can see my hand shiny. Okay, that was really good. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 just because it's kind of oily. But overall, I love the containering, the packaging, and it's just really cute. So yeah, 8 out of 10. Next, we got the liquid base for this. What is this? Jeez, it's like a... Oh! It's hard to open. Okay, yo, that just... Okay, that's supposed to be the liquid base. Okay. Okay. I don't know what that's supposed to do for me, but... C Firma. Oh my god. Okay, C Firma liquid serum base. Oh, okay, you're supposed to pour this. Why did I put that on my hand? So you're supposed to pour this. You're supposed to pour this into the C Firma Fresh Day serum, and it's supposed to make the serum. Y'all, I'm scared. Right, that's all. Okay. Then okay. And we're supposed to shake it for 1 minute. So this video is already 11 minutes long. No, it hasn't been 1 minute. All right, let's try it. Okay, I think we need to shake it a bit more. But, okay, I see you, Dewey. That's crazy. Okay, still, it's a bit oily. But I love the containering. I love how they, like, let us assemble it. That was really cool. And I love how, like, tiny it is. It's so cute. So I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10 just because it was a bit oily. It was only a little bit oil. It was not as much oily as this, but all of these, beautiful, beautiful. So, thank you to my aunts or uncles, and thank you to whoever gave me this money because I love Drunk Elephant a lot. I've never had the money to get it, but I've always wanted the Rosy Drops and this. Like, I'm so grateful for all of this. It really means a lot for me to get this. So, thank you. I'm definitely going to use these in my night routine. So stay tuned because I might post tonight my night routine. But, stay tuned and I love you guys a lot. Bye.